Not a good way to flirt with her, chewing on her ears. Scarlett's doing very good with the little puppy. You're gonna slime my lens again. Yeah, you betcha. Danny boy! Danny boy! Danny boy, go outside.
What about Pretty Boy and
Call the puppy. Oh, good.
Hmm?
Okay, now I'll call him and he'll come back to me.
Okay, call.
Henri, Henri. Hey, puppy. Henri. Here he goes. Oh.